how to add Read.ai to Microsoft Teams. So here's how it works. First, you will need to create a Read.ai account. Once you have an account ready to go, then from the left-hand side, from the home page, you will scroll down until you see the option for integrations. So you want to click on integrations. And right here, it's going to display Google Calendar, Outlook Calendar, Zoom Calendar. You want to scroll down until you see the option for Microsoft Teams, Messaging, Microsoft Teams. You want to click on Microsoft Teams here, and then it is going to display Connect. So you just want to click on Connect. It's going to take you to the Microsoft page, and here you can use your account to sign in. As long as it is a school or work account, it is going to let you connect it. This is going to be my personal account. That's why it doesn't let me connect it. But that's basically how you do it. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.